Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to replace our furnace filter. It's good to check these regularly, and it's good to replace them when they get dirty. You don't want to have a clogged and dirty filter, in your furnace, pulling air through it. It's going to hurt your furnace and make it work a lot harder than it needs to. One of the key things, obviously, is knowing the size of filter that you're going to need to use. In my particular case, it's a 16 by 25 by 2. And then knowing the direction of the airflow. On the filters themselves that you buy, you're going to see an arrow that indicates airflow. You should. Another nice thing to have is, even if it doesn't have the little box for it, just write the date on it so you know when you actually replaced it, so you know when you're checking it how long that it's been in there. Let's go ahead and open this up here. On my furnace, the access panel is right here. Going to be different, obviously, on every furnace, but on my particular one, it's right here. So I unlock those clips, and then I pull the front panel off there. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull my old filter out here. Let's put them side by side so we can take a look. Yeah, you guys can tell right away, the one on the right, the one I just pulled out, is pretty dirty. It's definitely time to replace it. I installed this one about 2 months ago. I checked it last month, and in my case it was okay, so I let it go for another month, a little over another month, and now I'm going to go ahead and replace it. So again, it's a good idea to check this regularly, and as soon as you see it dirty like this, you can tell. It's just caked with dust and dirt, and time to get a new one on there. The more dirty they get, the harder it makes the furnace work. So let's go ahead and set this one off to the side for now. Okay, so here's the new one. So you can see on my panel too, and hopefully whoever installed your furnace did the same thing, but it's telling us airflow direction, so we know that the air is coming through this way. So when we put our filter in, we want to make sure the airflow direction is going the same way as what's on the panel there. So we know that this filter is going to go in like this. Okay, let's go ahead, and I'm just going to move the panel off to the side there, and we're going to go ahead and put our filter in, just like so. I got the date up front, so when I pull the panel off next time, I know how long it's been since I've changed it. And it's as simple as that. So we're going to push it in, double check that you got the airflow going the right direction, and then once it's in there, we're just going to go ahead and put our panel back on here, and we're going to lock it back in place. And mission completed there. So it's as easy as that, guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave comments, questions, and if you like the video, I do appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you guys, and good luck out there, and I hope to see you in the next video.